I'm here with my boy Sapo. Say what up.
What up?
Here's Sapo and
Kentucky, Bowling Green on our way.
There you go, Kentucky. Right, Bowling Green. Yeah, Bowling Green, Kentucky. We are driving. I probably shouldn't be recording, but we're doing this for the YouTubes, and yeah, we'll get there soon enough. It's gonna be at the Corvette Museum.
Yes.
It's gonna be pretty cool. First time there. Have you been there, Sapo?
I've never been there. No,
right.
I'm looking forward to going.
Hell yeah! So it'll be our first time there, and hell yeah, we're gonna take some cool video, and we're gonna see some awesome jiu-jitsu matches, and yeah, we'll see you guys there. Peace. Alright, we're here at Shogun Bistro. Get ourselves some sushi. Hopefully they let us in, right? We'll let you guys know how much it is. We just left the sushi place, and that was freaking delicious. Yeah, there's Shogun Bistro. Man, good. Now we're gonna go get some gas and then go to the hotel. All right, morning of the tournament, we are on our way, out of our way, to go get some coffee, because our fearless navigator over here.
In my defense, okay, it should have took us to the closest Dunkin'.
Yeah.
Okay, not one 7 minutes away, allegedly.
Oh man, so yeah, we are here and we're gonna get some coffee now. And then we're gonna go to the tournament set up, because we couldn't do that last night. So
damn right.
We'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, we are gonna see where they're gonna have this tournament. You see Sapo right there? He's all intense with his phone and stuff. So yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit.
Hopefully we'll be able to back up right here.
That'd be nice.
We are at the good fight. We got the pop-up top mount ready to go, all set up. We got the Christmas trees set up. There's Gizmo in the back. What's up, Al? Oh, I can see the Christmas trees. Got one right there, one right there.
we just finished up at the Good Fight tournament, and we are gonna get ready to hit the road. It was a busy day today, so we didn't get to do much sightseeing at the tournament at the museum, but it's a beautiful museum, as you can see. And yeah, this Good Fight, pretty cool, solid people, and everybody had fun. Yeah, if you guys see a Good Fight tournament in your area, check them out. It is Top Mount Apparel approved. See you guys on the road. Kentucky, it's been real. The Corvette Museum was everything that it's been said to be. We are heading home now. My man Sapo over here for meeting some of his kin. So yeah,
Long lost relatives.
See you guys on the road. That will be ours one of these days.
Yep.
That thing right there. Well, not that one in particular, but one like it. See you guys on the road.
Waffle House, Waffle House, gonna get some Waffle House. Waffle House, Waffle House, gonna get some Waffle House. Are you recording that?
Yeah. All right, we're somewhere in Indiana, almost home, and yeah, we are maybe about an hour away from home. And yeah, so good trip to Kentucky. Kentucky, we love you. Appreciate all the love. Sapo, anything to say?
It was a good trip.
Yeah,
Yeah.
everything was awesome.
Looking for the next one.
Hell yeah. The Good Fight tournament, if you guys are ever in their area where they're going to be holding a tournament, good people, man, for real. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you guys.